How to use AudioDirector with PowerDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch a new project, or open an existing one that contains the audio you want to edit. Once your audio is loaded in AudioDirector, you can apply various professional tools such as noise reduction, audio enhancement, pitch correction, equalizer adjustments, stereo balancing, and sound effects to improve the overall quality. Make sure to preview your changes as you edit to achieve the best result. After completing your audio edits, export the audio file in a compatible format such as WAV, MP3, or FLAC. Once exported, open PowerDirector and import your enhanced audio back into your video project. Replace the original audio track with the newly edited audio to ensure your video has professional quality sound. Using AudioDirector in combination with PowerDirector allows you to create videos with crystal clear, polished audio, perfect for YouTube, podcast, or any multimedia project. Now you know how to enhance your audio workflow using both programs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.